Welcome! Today, we'll walk you through deleting your GoDaddy website. Let's dive in. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Click on My Products to view your active websites. Locate the website you wish to delete. Click on Manage next to the domain name. Scroll down to find the option to delete your website. It's usually labeled Delete Website or similar. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Make sure you understand what this entails. And that's it. Your GoDaddy website is now deleted. It's that simple. Remember, deleting a website is permanent and cannot be undone. Choose wisely. If unsure, consider backing up your content first. Always make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. We're here to help. Explore more about website management by clicking on the next video. As always, stay informed and keep your online presence sharp.